A strange question. A king often put questions and riddles to his courtiers to test their wits, wisdom, and knowledge. Once, he asked a very strange question to his courtiers. The question was, "How many sparrows are there in the city?" He looked at everybody, one by one. All of them stood up and bowed their heads silently. None of them could answer the king's question. Just then, the king's wise minister entered the court. He saw the courtiers with their bowed heads, and at once understood that they had failed to solve some riddles asked by the king. The minister humbly bowed before the king in the courtly manner and took his seat. The king asked him, "Minister, how many sparrows are there in the city?" The intelligent minister stood up and promptly replied, "Your Majesty, there are 50,892 sparrows in this city." "How can you be so cocksure, minister?" asked the king, in great astonishment. The minister replied, "Please have them counted, Your Majesty. If there are more than 50,892 sparrows, it simply means that some sparrows have come from other cities, and if there are less, it means that some sparrows have gone to visit other cities." Pleased with the answer, the king exclaimed, "Bravo, minister, you are matchless, indeed."